Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How is everyone doing tonight? Welcome to my channel and thanks for joining me. I want to share this journal and the ephemera folder with you very quickly, hopefully, and it's the frozen journal I've been working on. So I've done 3 videos and I will link them all below in case you didn't see the other 2. This is the little fluffy, tassel that I made to go with this journal, and it's just all kind of matching and glittery and lacy and got charms and everything. So that is that. This is the journal. Let me put this out to the side for a second and we'll go over this first. So I've got a tie closure on here of this pretty white ribbon with glittery snowflakes on it, and I just have it wrapped around. It's connected on the back cover with an eyelet right here, and then so you can see the journal. Here's the spine. It's 2 inches, and I've got these pretty little lacy decorations here with little pearls on them. And here's the back. I just covered up this little I think there was a barcode here, and I covered that up with a little Valentine. I had picked up a pack of frozen Valentine cards at Valentine time, so a couple weeks ago, so that came in perfect time for while I was working on this journal. So let's just get started with a flip through. Inside I've got the spine is lined with lace, and it's got that glittery also kind of lacy fabric behind the lace, so you can kind of see it in between the signatures. And let me show you real quick here. See right here how pretty. And so that's the spine. So in here, a library pocket decorated with a couple of tags. Everything's lightly decorated so that the person that's getting this is it was a custom order, and she's going to use it for pictures, and maybe, I don't know, I imagine she might do some writing or labeling under the pictures and around and decorating. So that's how I did this, lightly decorated for her to make it her own. So lots of pretty papers, and anything with white on the back of the scrapbook paper I spritzed with blue dye. You can see right here it matches very well with the frozen colors of this journal. There's a heart doily here for her to put a picture. So anything in all the pages, I just kind of made a background for her pictures. And lots of paper clips, as you can see. We worked on those last night, or started working on them, and I finished them after the video. So lots of pockets in here for her to be able to put in her pictures on a page, and then put things in pockets, and just whatever mementos and things she might have. Here's a journaling card here. I made this from a greeting card where I cut out and took, I think this was stuck on with one of the little stickers that pops up the pictures on a card. So I just peeled that off and put this little ice cream cone on here and made a journaling card. There's the background for her picture. All the backgrounds that I put on like this have that punched out decorative corners. This pocket is decorated here with little, it says "Say Cheese" there. So there's lots of pretty papers in here, and I'll just flip through those. Some doilies, some snowflake stationery, just pretty papers throughout. There's 4 signatures. Right here is a pocket decorated with a Valentine card, a tag, and this is a Valentine card I made into a tag, and this is a journaling card. There's a belly band here, so let me take out what's tucked in here so you can see the belly band. It's sewn on, and then I've got a little, the 2 sisters right here, and then tucked behind this 2 sisters is kind of a tuck spot there. It's just sewn at the bottom, so this is loose. So journaling card in there, and then I made an envelope from one of the pages from the other book that I made into the ephemera folder, and I have several pieces of frozen related or frozen themed stationery. Like this one here is the 2 sisters, and it's blank. Some have lines and some are blank like that. So, and this is an envelope here. So just put some stationery in there. And I'm just going to set that over here for a second. And then go over here. There's another envelope here with a decorated pocket. Got a couple little doilies there. And this is another envelope here with some stationery. I won't take it out, but there's some stationery in here also, right there. So that's in there. Oops, come back here. Pocket. Right here. And so I used some pieces from a couple of books. Like this is from one of a vintage book. Let me grab it real quick. I've got it right here. So just to show you that I used other books in here too. Walt Disney Fantasyland. There's neat pictures in here. Of course, Disney related, but I just went through and picked out some pictures that were appropriate for the Frozen journal. And this one too, Words to Know, kind of like a dictionary, children's dictionary. And just went through here also and picked out some like snowy and things like that, related pictures that would go with this journal. So just wanted to show you those two nice books. Got to use some of my books, my vintage books. So more pretty papers. On there's 4 signatures on all the strings. I put sequins as a little like charms or decorations for the strings. This one has little leaves, like metallic leaves there. Here's a piece from one of those books, really cute little children playing in the snow there. I thought that was really neat with a little bling. Got a journaling card here and a little booklet I made out of some Disney playing cards that I had picked up. So you can put little pictures in here or write or in here or both, pictures and writing. So that's in that pocket. Another place background for a picture. This pocket is decorated with a Valentine card, and I sewed this lace on here and a little flower right there. Playing card, tag, and another tag. These were punch outs from the other book that I made into tags. Some lace here, and this is some glittery cardstock that I received from Sherry at Studio 28E last couple of days in Happy Mail, and I just made a couple little charms out of that. You know, it's a really thick cardstock, like it's almost like double thick cardstock. It's really, I didn't know if I could get my punch through it, but I did manage to. My circle punch worked. I tried another little like doily punch, and that wouldn't go through it. It was so thick, but the circle punch to work. So I made a couple little circle charms there. Thought that was pretty. And then some more pretty pages, as you can see. Doily there. Some more tags here. Oh, this is a little envelope. We made this last night. The little envelope with the playing card and the tag we put in here. We made that in the video last night, where we were working on ephemera, and a decorated pocket here. Beauty is everywhere. Background for pictures. And then second signature, this says memories right here. And I won't pull out everything, but you can see more stationery and tags. Decorated pocket with a little snowflake there. This is a post-it here. The 3-fold little letters that you just put a stamp on and mail. It's like cardstocky, and that's probably vintage. And so the second and third signature have all the pages from the book in order, so you can read the story. And here's the strings with little heart sequins on the second signature. Here's the other side of the post-it. And a decorated pocket here with a guest check and a tag that I had put an eyelet in and a ball chain there. That's just for her to decorate, put a picture, whatever she wants. Use it as a journaling card. So here's the third signature with the word dream, a background here with a pretty doily. A pocket where she can write on this label here, a snowy vintage postcard, tag, and a playing card that looks kind of like a doily or a snowflake there. So, and it went with the colors, the blues. More pretty papers and pages from the book. paper bag in this third signature with some goodies, tags, and just some little flash cards in there. I decorated the bags with pieces from those 2 books I just showed you. There's a snowy scene here where the kids are building a snowman, and I think this is Sleeping Beauty. And there's the middle of the third signature with angel sequins. Paper bag here with some goodies. Flashcards that I decorated with a little doily. And another tag. Really pretty little tag with the sisters. And another decorations from the book here. From those books I showed you. The vintage books. A little Disney princess there and prince. And this looks like a queen and somebody bowing down to her. Went appropriately with this book. And then this is the end of this third signature. Pretty card I received from Sheree, decorated here, the pocket with this blingy cardstock. And this is a really pretty card that is just, it's gorgeous. Sheree it looks like maybe she embossed this. And then there's a glittery something over the top. I've never made anything like this, so I don't know, but it's just so pretty. And it went so well with this journal. Little like velvet bow here with a pretty little blingy snowflake. Just really, really gorgeous. Heart doily. And then the fourth signature, starting out with some more of that pretty blue paper. A banner here, just as a background for her pictures or whatever. Pocket. Delight with it in the little things there on the pocket. Decorated. Some more stationery and a tag. Got sewn on, some little sewn on lace there. More pretty pages, a doily, snowflake stationery there, computer stationery. This is actually a pocket right here that she can put something in. And little pocket, let me put something in there so she can remember and know that she can put something in there. So there we go. That fits in there nicely, and she can remember, you know, that'll just remind her that that is a pocket right there. Pocket back here with a tag, a couple of tags or journaling cards right there, decorated, and then I left this blank for her to be able to write on. And then just more backgrounds and pretty paper. These strings have a little sequin moons. And then this is this flip up, flip down for her to decorate and write on and put pictures in and out. Again, the pocket is decorated for her to be able to put something on here, whatever she wants. And the bag that we made last night, in our video last night, with a tag and a journaling card in that pocket. And you just see all the pretty colors here throughout this journal. Doily, another little charm that I made from the bling glittery cardstock with lace here sewn on. Decorated pocket, a couple of tags and journaling cards, things she can use to decorate. And then a journaling card back here in this side pocket. And that is the journal. Nice and fat and pretty, right? Lots of pretty colors. And they all go together really well, you know, bright, cheery, little, kind of like, almost like an album type journal that you can put your pictures in, that she could put her pictures in. So let me show you the ephemera folder really quickly. It was made from a paperback book. I covered up a little, you know, there was some pricing information down here and things like that, and I covered up something right here with a sticker, and right here with a sticker. And then, so these stickers came in the book. I used 2 of the stickers, 3 of the stickers, covering up things here, you know, like I just showed you. But I'm giving her, you know, my friend, the rest of the stickers to be able to use and decorate the pages and things. And then everything in here is for her to be able to write on and decorate this journal as she puts in her, you know, pictures and mementos and things. There's pages from this book. There's 2 pages back here. The card I showed you last night. 1, 2, 3. There's several journaling cards here. These are all like glittery, pretty shiny snowflake kind of journaling cards, doilies, some little pieces from the paper pack I used here. Some more of the stationery. It's these two. This one has Olaf, this one has the sisters, and these are lined pieces of the stationery. Get that back in there. And then these are all little cutouts from the paper pack I used, just all little words and tags and things that she can, I already cut them out for her and rounded the corners and everything so that she can have these ready to go and just, you know, simplify her decorating with all these ready to go little words and things. So those are in here for her. I thought those would be a lot of fun. Tags down here, playing cards, blank drawing card for her to decorate, a Valentine card again, and these are the punch outs that I made into tags. And over here, same kind of thing, pages from this book, you know, so they're Frozen themed. A card that I showed you last night with the word daughter, with all the descriptive words of a daughter that she can cut apart or use as a whole. Tags right here. You see several tags, some more stationery here, 2 pieces. Journaling cards and a big journaling tag. This is the one we worked on last night. I wasn't sure if this bling was going to stick, but I used Fabri-Tac and I had to let it dry. So I had to be patient and let it dry, but it did dry and it stuck on there really nicely. So I think it's good to go. So, and then you can see just lots of journaling cards here. The one I showed you last night, this little one with Olaf. Another playing card here, the Little Mermaid. And in this envelope I have several pieces of lace and fabrics that she can use if she wants to decorate some more with that type of stuff inside the journal. So I think she's all set. I've got, I don't know, I tried to think of everything she might need there. And I think she's got a lot to work with here. So I hope she likes it. I think she will. And I'm going to just thank everybody for watching and let you go. And I hope you have a great night. And just stay tuned for my next projects I'm pretty excited about. And I'll see you all next time. So happy crafting and thank you.